Students, this is the test conducted on 21st December. See, it is a little delay. See, first question is, this is the, in which of the following molecules resonance takes place throughout the entire system? All the carbon atoms of the system should involve in the resonance. B. I think there's no much explanation for this. So all are double bonds and single bonds are alternatively present in the system. So in the molecule B, the extent of the resonance is more throughout the molecule. All the atomic centers of the molecule are involved in the resonance. Check out. And the second thing is here this center is not involved in the resonance. Here only, see, resonance is here, this bond is not involving here, it's a saturated molecule. Now following molecule, NO2 group is not coplanar with the phenyl ring. This is with the plane of the ring, this is also with the plane of the ring. This is the two ortho groups, iodine, SIR. So V-shaped group, two ortho groups, SIR effect. So deviate from the planarity. So C is the correct option, and the other case there is no SIR or anything. Next, among these canonical structures, which one is least stable? Least stable is fourth one. Why? Positive, negative is side by side. But to the negative charge, adjacent to the negative charge, there is a lone pair. Here, negative lone pair repulsions that disturb the stability of the molecule. Positive, negative, okay. Negative. Electron density. Centers, repulsion is more. The fourth one is the least stable. So D is correct option for this question. And next one is the correct stability order of the following molecules, following compounds. Aromatic, dancing resonance. Aromatic is 2. Next to dancing resonance, there are 2 molecules with the ions with the dancing resonance. 4, 2 phenyl cyclopropyl groups, then 3, the least one is 1. This order is matching with the 2, 4, where it is 2, 4, 3, 1. C is the correct option. Next, this is molecule pi electron density is more on. Let us write the resonance structures. Pi lone pair, pi conjugation. This is the wasn't resonance structure. This is the second resonance structure. Here negative charge. Here again it comes this side. This is numbering is given as this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Set 2 దగ్గర ఉంది negative charge and 4. 2, 4 carbons if you write the resonance structures. The next one is, here 3 canonical structures of the naphthalene are given. The middle one is the more stable one, annulation antam. We say that is independently, each one is independently aromatized, you see. This is aromatic ring, this is common, this is aromatic ring. So among this is, so this resonance structure is more stable, major contributing structure. Therefore, now this is the case. C2, C3 is single bond. C1, C2 is double bond nature, more. So shorter. So here B, C1, C2 bond is shorter than the C2, C3 bond. దీని మీద కంక్లూజన్ వస్తుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ సింగిల్ బాండ్, డబుల్ బాండ్. C2, C3 is less double bond nature. C1, C2 is more double bond nature, shorter than this one, because that is the major contributing resonance structure. The next one is the here carbocations are given and correct stability order is asking and order is asking. See, this is fourth one, you see, Brett's rule. Fourth law, violation of the Brett's rule. Therefore less stable. This is least stable among the other things. Fourth least ఉన్న అన్నిట్లో ఉందా, ఇక్కడ 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 అన్నిట్లో. With that we cannot identify. And next one is the 3 is the, in 3 you see 3 there are, it is a tertiary carbocation, C positive methyl 6 alpha hydrogens, 7 structures are possible, hyperconjugate structures. This is more 3. Next one is the 2 here, and it is also 3 degree, but only one methyl is attached. Alpha hydrogens in 2 is only 3. 2 lo 3 lo 6 alpha hydrogens for hyperconjugation. And in 1 no carbocation 3 degree, but all these 3 are 3 degree, but no alpha hydrogen, because this alpha hydrogen will not come to the hyperconjugation, Brett's rule. So no alpha hydrogen, just C methyl groups. 3 methyls are there on next carbon, beta carbon. This is beta hydrogens. Not one. This is the next one. Least is violating the Brett's rule. This is correct order. This is here radical stability is given, triphenyl methyl radical. 3 rings are phenyl, carbon, phenyl, resonance stabilization. Next 2 phenyl groups are attached, resonance stabilization. This is more, this is next. The next 2 things are the, that is tertiary butyl, 9 alpha hydrogens, 9 hyperconjugation structures. 9 plus 1, 10 are possible, 9 hydrogens. In the this one, only 2 isopropyl, 2 methyl groups are attached. 2 methyl groups, 6 hydrogens. Therefore, these are 2 are stabilized through resonance, these 2 are stabilized through the hyperconjugation. So D is correct one. Option D is correct. Now is asking to the order of stability of the following carbanion. See, the third one is aromatic, cyclopentadienyl aromatic. 3 is greater. So 3 is greater in this. This is the only option. Next, 4th one, resonance. This is the negative charge. This is the 4th one. 3, 4. Next, 1 methyl carbanion, primary carbocation carbanion, secondary carbanion. Secondary carbanion is less stable. So according to this, the D is the correct option. Here, few things are given and basicity order, conjugate bases are given. See, there given one is RCOOH, carboxylic acid. The next one is the among them, and acetylenic compound. Next one is the ammonia, RH. These are the corresponding acid forms. So R minus, greater than, more basic than, that is NH2 minus. Next, acetylide ion, least is RCOO minus. This is the basicity of this one. Here in the given one is, so that is B is matching in the reverse order. This is, select the pK, Kb value, correct order of the Kb, more basic. See, sodium hydroxide is more basic than the amine. It's not correct order. This is less basic. Kb value is less than this one. Pyridine and secondary amine, aliphatic amine, sp2 carbonyl in the lone pair. Here the secondary amine, the order is not correct. Wrong. This dimethylamine should have the higher Kb value, more basic. Third one is C is correct. Because aniline, all are anilines. You see, aniline with methyl group at para position, plus M group or hyperconjugation, whatever it is. Parachloroaniline, again aniline, but minus I group, negative effect, decrease the basic property. That is again aniline, acetophenone, that is methyl ketone part. Acetophenone, this is the aniline. For basic property, you have to concentrate on the NH2 group. This is minus M group, minus I group. So here plus M group or hyperconjugation, whatever you say, pumping the electrons. This is minus I, this is minus I minus M. So this should have the higher Ka value, 1. Next to this, next this. So this is the correct option. Next one is the which of the following compounds are arranged in the decreasing order of the basic strength Kb values. Yes, see, this is the minus M group, nitro group. Presence of the nitro group decrease the strength of basic properties or basic strength of the aniline by taking the electrons towards itself. Availability decreases on these three. These three must be less than that of this. See, this is showing the methyls are showing the ortho effect. That's a plus I effect. So this is, next one is this group is present. And here, so plus I and I, this little plus I effect. Here only minus M effect, no plus I effect. Therefore this is better. Compared to this, say ortho effect. Because of the ortho effects, two methyl groups, ortho substituted anilines are less basic. Therefore this is least basic. Correct? Decreasing order. This has higher Kb, this has a lower Kb, this is the weakest base, this is the strongest base. Here, benzylamine is more basic because the aliphatic, no resonance, fully available lone pair of electrons. Whereas the diphenylamine is least basic because resonance with the two rings. So this has the higher basic property. Next, phenyl amine, that is aniline. Here only one. So that is actually, strictly speaking, here and this is the highest. Next to the third one, aniline, least is this. Therefore, this is correct. This is also correct. You see, here lone pair is available, here lone pair is available, but involved in the resonance, ring resonance, availability less. These two are more. Among this shows that is the pumping plus M effect. So this is more. Next, least is this. Therefore, this is also correct. Next one is lone pair is present on the nitrogen. Lone pair is present and is not involved in the resonance. Here it is involved in the resonance. Availability is decreased. It is involved in the resonance with C double bond O, this one. This is also correct order. Here availability is more on that nitrogen. Next, this least is this. So B is the correct option. 1 is correct and 2 is wrong. 2 is wrong. And that is 3 is correct. 4 is correct. 1, 3, 4 correct. B is the correct option for this. Now this has that the correct orders and statement for the histidine R. Histidine is a alpha amino acid, one of the essential amino acids which are involved in the formation of the. This is the imidazole ring, you see. The imidazole, a lone pair is present on this. This lone pair is involved in the resonance, like pyrrole involved in the resonance. So here available, here not available, involved in the contributing to the aromaticity. So what is this? 2 is more basic than 1. Yes, here imidazole basic property is more, because if it is protonated, this is protonated, the symmetrical resonance structures are formed. This is correct. 3 is greater than 1. If this is correct, 3 is greater than 1. 3, its lone pair is involved in the, that is resonance aromaticity of the ring. No, it's not correct. Histidine has the 6 pi electrons for the delocalized ring. Yes, this is the delocalized ring, 4 pi electrons and 1 lone pair. Total, all the electrons are called as the 6 pi electrons. Delocalization involved in any galvi pi electrons atom, 6 pi electrons, aromatic ring, that is correct. And all stereoisomers of the histidine, same pK. See, this is the chiral center, histidine. This is the 1. pK1. This is the chiral center, and it will have the R form and S form. R form as well as S form both have the same Ka value or Kb value, whatever it is. Therefore, this is also correct. So, what are correct? 1, 3, 4 are correct. That is, D is correct option for this. Next, here compare the acidity of the 4 hydrogen atoms X, Y, Z and W. That is asking. Here, if this is removed, X is more acidic than Z. Yes. X is more acidic than Z. Yes. If this is removed and create a negative charge. Extent of this side, resonance stabilized. Whereas here also In case of the Z also, the type of resonance is existing. The type of resonance is existing. Here, this moves like this, this moves like this moves like this, but this side, this effect is minus m effect of this is involving in the resonance is less, because this is also involved in the resonance with this group. This is the in conjugation with this, and this is the conjugation with this. So here only it is conjugation with this. Therefore, this type of structure here, this is more stable, this is less stable, because this cannot freely flow towards this side. Therefore, X is more acidic than Z. Next one is Y is more acidic than X కాదు, దీనికి రెజనెన్స్ లేదు, ఒకటే, ఓన్లీ వన్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఇస్ పాసిబుల్ హియర్. రెజనెన్స్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఓన్లీ వన్, దీనికి ఒకటే వస్తుంది, ఇటువైపు పోవాలి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్. ద నెక్స్ట్, Z is more acidic than W. Z is more acidic. Similarly, this resonance extent of the, it has no resonance. W, this is this side, this has to move only on this carbon, shift towards that carbon. Only two resonance structures. This is Z is more acidic, correct. X is more acidic and W least. X is more acidic, that is correct. W is least acidic among the 4 hydrogens, correct. So A 1, 3, 4 statements are correct. You write the resonance structures, remove the hydrogen, create the oxide ion, and write the resonance structures. So with that you can understand. In which of the following pairs of carbanion, the first one is more stable than second one? First one is, here in the first case, second one is more stable. Carbon with negative charge, chlorine, d orbital resonance. That is back bonding, ODR, ఏదన్నా నన్ను మీ ఇష్టం. This is, yes, it is more stable. Sp carbon, sp2 carbon. Sp carbon, more electronegative carbon, less electronegative carbon. Alkyne is more acidic than alkene. It's a conjugate basis. He is asking the stability, negative charge on the sp carbon is more stable. And here sp2 carbon, benzene is sp2. Here the negative charge is on sp2 carbon, whereas this is more stable than, this is negative charge on this carbon, sp3 carbon. It's more stable than this one. First one is more stable. Here, 3 degree carbanion, 1 degree carbanion. 1 degree carbanion is more stable than 3 degree carbanion. As the degree increases, the stability of the carbanion decreases. That is CH3, 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 negative charge. So that is the correct option is B. 2 and 3 are correct. Next one is the methylamine is more basic than all 4. Alcohols are less acidic, ethers are less acidic, the esters are less acidic than amines, and that is amide due to resonance. Amides are less basic than amines. Therefore, D is correct option. There is no much explanation. Which of the following arranged in the decreasing order of Ka. No, HF is stronger acid than water. ఇక్కడ పోయింది కాబట్టి ఇగో హెచ్ఎఫ్ హ్యాస్ ద హయ్యర్ కేఏ వాల్యూ. కేఏ ఆఫ్ ఇక్కడ పోయింది, ఇది లీస్ట్ అంటున్నాడు. హెచ్ఎఫ్ ఈజ్ లీస్ట్, మోర్ ఎసిడిక్, హయ్యర్ ద కేఏ, మోర్ ఎసిడిక్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్కహాల్, అమైన్, మన లిస్ట్ ఒరిజినల్ లిస్ట్ ఆల్కహాల్, అమైన్, ఫ్లోరైడ్, ఆల్కేన్, ఫ్లోరో ఆల్కేన్. Once halogen is introduced, slightly that hydrogen gets the acidic nature. This is correct. So HI, HBr, HCl, the acidic strength is decreasing, correct? That is, and phenol, water, see the list, our list, water, alcohol and alkyne, decreasing order. Ka also decreasing order. Fourth also correct. 2, 3, 4 are correct. That is, A is correct option here. This is ortho effects and electronic effects. All are taken. Orthonitro benzoic acid, and this is A is correct option. This is ortho effect, ortho effect, ortho effect as the size, this one. And here, see ortho substituted, that is a benzoic acid. Ortho substituted benzoic acid. So here minus I effect is in operation. Here the plus M effect is an operation least. So this is minus M and minus I effect also in operation along with the ortho effect. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That is bulkiness here 3. Next, that is salicylic acid is more acidic because of the strongest acid is salicylic acid. In salicylic acid, intramolecular hydrogen bonding is existing. This is readily intramolecular hydrogen. Because of the intramolecular hydrogen bonding, it is a strongest acid. Intramolecular, the hydrogen that should undergo the dissociation is not involved in the hydrogen bonding, is outside. If it loses this one, the conjugate base is stabilized by the resonance. Losing conjugate base is formed. Now effective hydrogen bonding between the H and O minus ion than this. This is more and more and more stabilized by the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. That's why this is more stable, the more acidic. If you see the ammonia, basic properties ammonia, hydrazine, hydroxylamine, and least basic among the four is that is water. This is has the higher Kb value. This has the lower Kb value. So lower the Kb, higher the pKb. Therefore, for the weakest base has that is the lowest Kb value, highest pKb value. So that is this is the lowest pKb. So this is the order. Next, carbon oxygen bonds are of equal length in acetate ion. Yes, due to resonance, the acetate ion, this is the resonance. Carboxylate anion, symmetrical resonance structures are possible. RCOO, ఇది resonance structure. నేను ఇది రాయకూడదు, resonance structure ఇది. So both have the same length. Carboxylate anion. So equal length, correct. Bond length decreases with the multiplicity of bond between the two atoms. As the number of bonds increases, So bond length decreases center. This is also correct. But here it is not taking the resonance. It's not the correct explanation. Therefore, B is correct. Next one is here. Both the statements are false. చూడండి, కార్బోకేటయాన్ 2 is more stable than కార్బోకేటయాన్ 1. No. Carbocation 1 is more stable than carbocation 2. Why? Methyl group, hyperconjugation. Here, methyl group shows hyperconjugation. And CD3 also shows hyperconjugation. నేను అంటున్నది హైపర్ కాంజుగేషన్. ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ ద వర్డ్ హైపర్ కాంజుగేషన్. CH3 hyper conjugation is greater than that is CD3 because CD bond is stronger bond. Bond has to cut. Remember, bond has to cut. The cutting of the bond is not easy thing. So CD bond is stronger bond. Plus I effect is more. But hyperconjugation is less. CD bond hyperconjugative effect is less because of the strong bond. Cutting is difficult. Therefore, this is more stable due to higher hyperconjugation. Plus I effect koste reverse aitadi. CD3 plus I effect is more, inductive effect is more than CH3 because CD bond pair of electrons are closer to the carbon. Therefore, this is statement is wrong. Carbocation 2 has the less CD3 inductive effect of CD3. Inductive effect is more. CD3 inductive effect. I effect of the CD3 is more than I effect CH3. So this is wrong, this is wrong. Both are wrong, therefore it is E is the correct option. Pyrrolidine is more basic than pyrrole 1. Yes, in pyrrole lone pair is involved in the resonance aromaticity లో ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయింది. ఇక్కడ ఇన్వాల్వ్ కాలేదు, ఫ్రీగా ఉంది. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్, అవైలబిలిటీ ఈజ్ డిక్రీజ్డ్. Pyrrolidine is more basic. Correct. First statement is correct. True. Protonated pyrrole అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది? ప్రొటనేటెడ్ పైరోల్లో లోన్ పేర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్ ఇన్ దిస్ 4 ప్రొటనేటెడ్ పైరోల్. ఇది ఆల్రెడీ ఒకటి ఉంటే ఇంకా మళ్ళీ ఇది చేసుకున్నది లోన్ పేరు. ఇది ఈజ్ డీలోకలైజేషన్ ఆఫ్ పాజిటివ్ ఛార్జ్ ఇన్ ఏరోమాటిక్ రింగ్ పాసిబుల్ కాదు. ఇది రాలేదు. ఇది వస్తే 5 బాండ్స్ అవుతుంది. ఇటువైపు వస్తే నాట్ పాసిబుల్. దిస్ ఇస్ లోకలైజ్డ్ పాజిటివ్ ఛార్జ్. డీలోకలైజేషన్ ఇస్ క్వాడ్రివాలెంట్ నైట్రోజన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ క్వాడ్రివాలెంట్ నైట్రోజన్. దేర్ ఫోర్ నేను ఏమన్నా దాన్ని దేర్ ఫోర్ దట్ ఈస్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ట్రూ, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫాల్స్. C is correct. Salicylic acid is much stronger than its meta and para isomers and benzoic acid itself. Correct. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. It is due to the steric inhibition, not due to the steric inhibition. That is not correct. It is the normally ortho groups cause the steric inhibition, but this is due to the intramolecular hydrogen bonding that remains in the same plane. The conjugate base is stabilized by the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is responsible. Therefore, this is correct one is 49. C is correct option. Next one is last one, I think. Orthosubstituted benzoic acids are stronger than the benzoic acid, correct? Orthosubstituent trains to prevent the coplanarity of the COOH with the ring. The resonance is diminished, which increases the acidic strength, correct? Correct explanation. A is correct.